Hey everybody, Zach here, and welcome back to the channel. Shiba Inu is storming ahead. Could we be in the midst of a 40% uptick in the price of Shiba Inu? We're going to talk about that in a particular article that came out recently. We're going to take a look at the overall state of the market right now and Shiba Inu, which continues to move up. We're up almost 7% here in the 24-hour period. We're seeing a big pump right now. We're going to take a look at TradingView. And thanks so much for stopping back or stopping by for the first time. If it is your first time, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Even if you're a returner, a like on the video is always appreciated. Helps us out with that YouTube algorithm. That can be pesky sometimes, but we want to continue to reach the Shiba Inu community. So, man, this is just an amazing time to be in the market right now, right? It's just a ton of fun right now. Obviously, when you see the portfolio growing each and every morning when you wake up, we're having some great conversations over in the Discord. So many people were excited this morning. And if you want to be a part of that, you can come on over. I'll link this down in the description as well as I'll pin it on the top comment. For just $20 a month, you're gonna get buy and sell trade alerts, hot crypto alerts, portfolio guidance and help, meaning I'll help you directly with your portfolio needs. Group portfolio, shared access. We're building a portfolio together over here. Everybody has access to that are insiders. And not to mention, you're going to get all the Discord and general support guidance that you get with the supporter level as well. And this has just been an amazing, amazing community. We'd love to have you join us over here, and looking forward to seeing you. All right, so let's bounce into it because look at this, up 7.18%. We're back in the 08 range. Remember when we were sitting at 061? Now all of a sudden we're at 081. Just a very short time ago, we were sitting in that 06 range, channeling there, couldn't really shake it. Look at the amount of holders continuing to rise here. So looking at this number right here, 622,000, meaning we gained a couple more thousand holders, which is fantastic to see for SHIB. And we're continuing to see a spike and an uptick in the number of holders each and every day. It's growing because I think it's a natural progression, right? With the market growing each and every day, people are getting more interested in getting into crypto. They're hearing more about Bitcoin and Ethereum rise. And, well, what can I get in? Can I get into Doge and Shiba Inu? Speaking of those two, we're going to take a look at those in particular because they're moving very close to one another. So here's SHIB right now. Let's jump in here because we're seeing a nice big pump here. And I've got some lines in here. How about that? It's working out really nicely. We're seeing that nice little uptick. We saw this trend line start sometime yesterday on the 10th, right? We've been slowly, steadily going up. This was our resistance line at the 7-8 level, and boom, we broke right through there. So next up is trying to get to the 09 level. That's going to be that next big step up, okay? If we can get past this resistance line up here, let's draw a line up here, just so we know kind of what we're looking at. This is going to be the next line that we'll be watching for. Okay, if we can break out of that, man, we're really going to see some big time growth here. And in particular, we could see a 40% hike, and we're going to get into that in this article here in just a second. But I want you to pay attention close to this chart. Does that look similar to this one? Very similar, doesn't it? There's Dogecoin, there's Shiba Inu. These two continue to move really close together, and I think it's not by mistake either. I think a lot of the same investors are here in the SHIB and Doge space. They're number one and number two when it comes to community coins, and two of my favorite. Those are the two that I hold, and Dogecoin moving up nicely right now too, which is nice to see because I just opened up a position over at Dogecoin at 25 cents, and we're pushing up close to 28 cents right now. So just opened that up yesterday too. So pretty pumped about that. All right, so and if you want more of those buy and sell trade alerts, of course you could join the Patreon. You got it. We'd love to have you over there, seriously though. All right, so Shiba Inu anticipates 40% advance. Here we go. FX Street, shout out to the team over here. They're always on it, always doing their due diligence here. Shiba Inu price is currently retesting the 759 and 727 support levels. A convincing bounce from these footholds is likely to propel SHIB by 40%. This article was out earlier this morning. If bears push below the 0625 demand barrier, this will invalidate the bullish thesis. Well, of course, we've pushed past the 759 level, and we are seeing a nice run-up. Shiba Inu price moved out of its long-standing consolidation as it shot up explosively over the past day. While the bulls could not sustain this fight, the minor retracement has pushed SHIB down to support levels where it currently trades. And it consolidated between that 6.2 and 6.5 level, right in here. We saw that happen for such a long time. A lot of people lost some faith there momentarily for roughly 16 days, eventually leading to a 45% upswing. As impressive as this run-up was, it failed to follow through, which has pushed SHIB back down to that 7.5, 7.27. But as we know, we are higher right now, sitting at the 8.2? 8.17. 8.17 level right now and pushing up still, which is great to see. Now, considering the entire market structure of the cryptocurrency market, investors can expect an impulsive move soon. Assuming such a blast-off occurs, Shiba Inu price will shatter the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at the 0.870. So that's kind of what we're looking at right there. An attempt to retest the high probability reversal zone, extending to all the way up to 1070. This would get rid of a zero for us. This would be super bullish. While it's unlikely that Shiba Inu price will tag the upper limit of this range, the 70.5 Fibonacci retracement level, 70.5% level at 1010 seems reasonable for a retest. Okay, so they're saying that we're gonna, this seems reasonable to get to this 1010 level, and as long as the market continues to rise, and of course Ethereum continuing to move up, SHIB being an ERC20 token, I love where this is heading. The entire market just looking super bullish right now. I continue to hold my SHIB, continue to hold my Doge and Ethereum and Cardano. Those are really the big ones right now I'm focused in on because I think they are going to grow tremendously still here in 2021. They're part of my top 5 cryptocurrencies to hold for the remainder of 2021 as well. So hopefully you're getting some value here out of this video. Now it says, although this retracement might delay the upswing, retracement back down to the 6.2 level, it does not cause a problem for the bulls. However, decisive 12-hour candlestick close below the 0.620 level will invalidate the bullish thesis. So we've gotten into some important levels to watch here, and we're going to continue to watch it very, very closely as the overall market, 1.94 trillion. We're getting closer to a $2 trillion market cap again. We've been there before, and we're continuing to move upward. I think we are settling in now to a major, major run that is going to see a lot of assets claim new all-time highs. Look at Cardano right now storming ahead. It's closing in on a $60 billion market cap. It's only $3 billion away from Tether. I mentioned, would not be shocked at all if Cardano becomes number 3 on this list. It's only $7 billion away from Binance Coin. Man, it's looking super, super bullish right now for Cardano. XRP too, look at this. XRP is at 93 cents. It continues to push forward. Man, things are just looking crazy bullish around the crypto space. I'm loving it. Hopefully you get some value here. And one quick note, the hackers start to return some of the $600 million they stole in one of the biggest crypto heists. It's good to see that the money will be returned to investors, and they know exactly who did what. And it's unfortunate, but the crypto market's not stopping. We're going to continue to move forward, and Shiba Inu holders, shout out to all of you out there. Very grateful for each and every one of you. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.